Hey y'all, so now it's like the Sunday after Christmas and the turkey pan that I ordered, turkey pan that I ordered a while ago for Christmas came after I actually cooked the turkey. But hey, it's cool now. Next year when I make another turkey, I have the proper pan to make cooking the turkey way easier. Let's see if I can get this open real quick. Actually, dude, you've never seen a proper turkey pan before, have you? This is a proper turkey pan. It's first ever proper turkey pan. So like usually you put the turkey in here, and this kind of holds the turkey up and the juices go down, and it's easy and safe to hold. So in this box, I have my shiny new processor to go with my shiny new motherboard. Ja-ja! God, is it upside down? No, that. Ja-ja! So I got the AMD 7 Ryzen that came with this flashy light up heatsink, which you can't actually see because our case doesn't have a window in it, but today I'm gonna do computer surgery! 私はワッペンの方にするチャージ。So we just got home from a lot of shopping and I've decided to try making some turkey nabe. So I've got some of the bones. You see there in the bottom, that dark thing, that's some kombu. And unfortunately the turkey breast area is too big. So only about like half of it's actually in there. I might turn it after it's boiled for a while to get some of the juiciness out of the exposed bones. Here's a bunch of stuff for our turkey. So recently at Daiso, they started carrying these little jewelry cases. So like the acrylic thing is like 200 yen and then the inserts are 100 yen each. So this total costs about 400 yen. And I think I've seen ones with the bigger divider, so I only got these two, but the Daiso I was at didn't have the divider that I wanted. So I'm gonna wait and get that later, and I got the two that I wanted, and yeah, so now I can organize my jewelry better. Nabe. Okay, so I just finished stage 1 of my computer surgery. So you can see I got the motherboard out and it's over there. And now it's time to get the new stuff in, though I'm kind of waffling on whether or not to take a break. This is the new motherboard. Here's the new plate. And instruction manual. It came with the Japanese version, but I think I should be fine. It's got a nice couple of cables for your hard drive. And there she is. The new motherboard. Here we have the old motherboard and the new one. And I need to put the new processor in. Processor is in. Check out this sucker. I mean, I had one like that at home in America, but I haven't had a huge freaking heatsink in ages. How do I do this again? I haven't done this in forever. Alright, I got the RAM in and the computer is hooked up, and I'm about to hit the power button to see if this actually starts up. Oh, that's a good sign. There we go. Oh, AS Rock. Sweet. Hey y'all, I decided to get up early with Dude even though I've been on vacation since like Christmas. And today's his last day of work, so I decided to get up early too so we could get McDonald's breakfast. And I'm going to drive him to work because I'm such a good wife that actually woke up in the morning. our Osechi Ryouri came. This is our first time ordering it, and only my second time having Osechi. So this is gonna be pretty cool. It was frozen, so I think we need to put this in the fridge so it'll thaw for tomorrow. Oh, sure. Ah, Yoko. Yoko ka. Ta-da! Osechi Ryouri. All right, I guess that will stand there and thaw for tomorrow. So I just came back, and in the game center, the staff guy helped me get a couple of scrunchies. So I got the Tanjiro one and also the Ringoku one. It's gonna be a happy new year. I'm looking forward to wearing these next year. Snowy day. Alrighty, we just got back from our New Year's grocery shopping, and dude's mom recommended this rangy mochi-ami, which is like a microwave mochi kind of tray, net tray, so you can cook your mochi in the microwave. Except dude's mom's is much smaller, and all they had were these huge ones, which I guess is easy. We have a big microwave and we can make a lot of mochi at once. And then an impulse buy at the Watts 100 yen shop was this fluffy, star-shaped fluffy pancake maker. Well, it says a cake mold. I guess it's actually a cake mold. So I guess I'm going to be making some really random star-shaped things because I can. Yay, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! We're having toshikoshi udon. Good morning, y'all. It is the first day of the new year, and of course I crashed after we got back from failing to see the sunrise and seeing a lot of snow. But my order for the Touken Ranbu Matsuri that I got the streaming ticket for, the live streaming ticket for, came. And the first thing that appeared is this. You might be wondering, what is this? But this is a special, that's a really long ribbon that you can use on their tote bags and stuff. But like, if I ever go see the musical, I'm probably going to go in wafuku, in kimono. So I really wanted the ribbon because some people who go in wafuku use these to decorate their obi. So I got a Mikazuki ribbon because I like him. And next, I've got the pamphlets. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so my first reaction to the pamphlet, because this was like 2,500 yen. Like, usually your movie pamphlets will be a little bit less. And I mean, they're plays, so they don't make a lot of money. They only have a few shows, so I don't mind. But like, this thing is thick. I'm like, okay. Yeah, this is definitely a nice pamphlet. Even the cover paper is nice and textured. I like the embossing here. And also the paper quality is nice. And they've got pictures of the performers And it looks like a bit of information down at the bottom. Oh, asking about like their memories of their first performance and stuff like that at the bottom. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm probably going to spend some time going through and reading all of these comments and things. But man, the tricky thing for me with Touken Ranbu, like, it seems like a lot of girls pick one Touken danshi to support, but like, my problem is I like 95% of them, and I'm just like, if the best thing is that if I do gacha, like, I'm happy almost no matter what. Like, this is the perfect gacha series for me, because I am so happy no matter what. But like, whenever it comes to like buying individual items, that's when it gets difficult, because like, I'm like, I have to pick 1 or 2 or maybe 3 to support. But yeah, I'm excited about my live streaming, which I think will be not the weekend of the 9th, but the weekend after that on Saturday. So 600 watts for 2, it needs to be about a minute at 600 watts. So this is my first time using the microwave mochi on me. Just doing this one-handed is making this look way harder than it actually is, but the mochi lifts right off. Yay! So there's the mochi.これは持って帰りましょう。はい、お疲れ様でした。じゃあ私の。はい。じゃじゃーん。We both got normal kichi, so we're going to tie our good luck.